In Trailblazers, players travel through 4 different adventures, collecting coins and avoiding obstacles. The goal is to draw your way out of each maze in the adventure region. Everybody starts with a path map and a sketch pen. Place the adventure book in the center. Choose an adventure region and start with Maze 1. And keep the sand timer ready. First is the viewing round. When the timer begins, you must visualize and remember a path in the maze from start to finish. You must try to score maximum points by collecting coins and avoiding obstacles. During this time, you are not allowed to draw anything. You can only see the maze. All pens must be down. At the end, the maze is covered with a spin around. Second is the drawing round. You will get 1 minute to draw your path on your path map from start to finish. You must enter with a ray at the start point and exit with a ray at the finish point. You can enter or exit horizontally or vertically, but not diagonally. The path is made of line segments connecting the dots on the path maps from start to finish. The line segments must be horizontal or vertical, but not diagonal. You cannot overlap line segments. At the end of the drawing round, you count your score by placing your path map on the maze. Each coin you collect in your path, you get the points mentioned on it. Each obstacle you hit, you lose points as mentioned on the left-hand pages. Add all points for the coins collected. Subtract all points for the obstacles hit. Add 2 points for entering with a ray at the correct start point. And add 2 points for exiting with a ray at the correct finish point. This is the score for the drawing round. Next is the spinning round. The spin around has perpendicular into 1, perpendicular into 2, parallel into 1 and parallel into 2. The player with the highest score for the drawing round of this maze spins the spin around. To count your score, you must choose either your entry or exit ray as the reference ray. If you get parallel, then you count all lines parallel to the reference ray. If you get perpendicular, then you count all lines perpendicular to the reference ray. Then you multiply the number above by either into 1 or into 2 as per what you got. For example, if you have spun perpendicular and into 2, then count all the lines perpendicular to the reference ray and multiply that by 2. This is the score for the spinning round. Add the scores of the drawing and spinning round as the total score for maze 1. Repeat the same for mazes 2 and 3 of the same adventure region. The person with the highest total of all 3 mazes wins. Ready to explore? Let's play!